So this is not my work, but this is like a terrible situation for anybody. Very traumatic looking. This client received a chemical peel from a facility here in Atlanta, Georgia. This chemical peel resulted in a hospital visit with a diagnosis of second-degree burns. This is absolutely 100% preventable. So here at Critically Aesthetic, in order to receive a chemical peel here, this cannot be a first-time client treatment, okay? And the client must be committed to their skincare regimen at home, okay? Also, during the process of chemical peel, we always be sure, if you go back and look at my last reel, you will see that we have safety measures at the bedside just in case. When a client's get ready to go home, we send them home with a home care kit for whatever peel that they receive. A home care kit, okay? And we do follow-up appointments and do daily checks. So book accordingly.